Hello children, very beautiful morning to all of you. Welcome back to online classes. Subject Moral Science. So we will continue with our sixth unit, that is our parents. So we have not studied that God is our creator, but He gave us birth through our parents. So they are also a living God. So here is the story of a boy is writing a paper about what the work should do. So for cleaning up my room, he wants 5 rupees. For cleaning up, he wants 5 rupees. For taking care of his little sister, 10 rupees. For going to the shop, 5 rupees. For cleaning the 10 rupees. For getting a good report card, 10 rupees. If he works hard and getting good report, then also he wants rupees. 10 rupees he wants. For helping in the kitchen, 15 rupees. Total 47 rupees. So the boy want for cleaning up the table, what the work he is doing. He want money of all the things. At your home also, your mother is telling, please put this utensils that side there. In some of people you are helping to a mother in kitchen also, na? So he was telling that I want 15 rupees for that. For studying and getting good report card, he want 10 rupees. Anyone you are asking like that at your home? This is not a good habit. For cleaning the table also you want 2 rupees. So, see, look at the picture. His mother is washing clothes and he is giving the report card to the mother. So, after reading the note, the mother looked at her son. She looked like that. Then he was waiting for the money. So, the boy was waiting for the money, that this is the list I have prepared. You have to give me the money. She picked up the pen and wrote on the other side of the paper. So what she done? She also picked up the pen and wrote other side of the paper. 9 months I carried you while you were inside me. No charge. She is telling. Our mother has given a gift to us. We can set that world we can see. So she had carried us 9 months. So she is writing that no charge I have taken. You were sick. I sat with you, helped you, prayed for you. All children, you are sometimes you got fever or any flu or anything. The mother is taking care of you. Na? Please drink this medicine. Please sleep. Don't run fast. Don't do like this. Don't do like this. She is always praying for you and helping you. So she wrote. For that also I have never taken charge. For all the tear you have caused through the years. Every time when something happened, then my tears. Oh, then no charge I have taken. So, for the toys, food, clothes. When I am buying food, clothes to you, then also I have never taken charge from you. For wiping your nose and washing you, no charge. When you are small baby, then you cannot bath itself, na? So mother is there. So for that also she had not taken charge. And when you add it all up, the full cost of real love is no charge. So this thing add in that, no, boys add no all this thing. Then what happened? 47 rupees is there. So now she is also adding up. So this it is said that this is the full cost of real love. So there is also no charge. When the son finished reading what she had written, there was a big tears in his eyes. Then what? She gave a note to the child, and when he is reading, the tears came from his eyes. He looked straight at his mother and said, Mom, I love you. Please forgive me. You are spending a life for me. I am unable to pay you back. So he looked straight in the mother's eyes. See, a picture is given that I love you and please forgive me. Any mistake happened, then please forgive me because you are spending life on us. She is not going to work. Out of all you all children, some students only his mother is working, then other rest are at home only. She is making foods, washing utensils, all these things, taking care of our health. So what that we can grow up. So we are telling telling like that anything, so it is not fair, na? So he is telling, please, for you are spending, they are spending life on us, we are spending life for education, money, and we can go outside also and that all things, but our mother is spending life on us. So I was unable to pay back, then he is telling that I can not pay back this much thing what you gave me. What a wonderful story. Have we ever thought of the work of our parents do for us? You all children is ever think that what our parents are doing for us? So you have to think it. What were things from childhood up to your fifth standard, na? You have to see which thing, which toys you brought, how many clothes, how much education cost also I am telling to you to see. Everything, tuition fees, where you are going outside eating, you have to see. You cannot pay back it because they are spending life on us. Even when we sleep, they keep awake to the work. Yes, when we sleep, they keep awake to work. So when we are sleeping also, then they are also doing their work, na? So they give us food before they eat. First, your mother is there. When you come from school, nowadays school is not there, but then also first she will provide you the food. She will make you to eat that food. Then after only at last she is eating. So they will first provide us food. They will first make us sleep. Then after they will sleep. They take care for all needs. They will see that this corona period is there, so some of the parents might not be able to pay the fees in direct way like that, taking so much time, so they are thinking that how I will pay the fees of the student. They are collecting from now. They are thinking this person want clothes in Diwali, so they will make arrangement from now onwards, so what at that time you can enjoy. So how much trouble they might have taken to get us admitted in a good school like this. No, what I spoke is that, na? So first of all they had to pay fees also, na? That in good school my children should be studied in good school. You all are belong to English medium school, and your school fees is also there. You are not studying in that Gujarati medium or anything where school fees is not there. Some government school, na, you are studying in private school and good school, so they are paying fees for you, no? So you have to remember all these things. We must be thankful for all these things. So when you see the people around your surroundings or the people, they are not getting proper education also, they are not getting anything, they are just sitting at home, they don't have mobile phones or anything, and you should feel lucky at that time that how much our parents had done for us. So the best way we can repay them is grow as good student and make them happy. So you have to grow as a good student, you have to complete your old notes, you don't have to copy in exams. This online examination is there, but it doesn't mean that you have to write from your notes or anything, because if you will write today you will get good marks, but when you go in future you don't remember anything, or you don't even know also what that concept is there. So you have to regularly attend the lecture. So by being good student you can make them happy. When we study well, when our teachers and friends say good things about us, our parents are happy. When you come to school and you are getting good marks, your parents feel happy now. But when we scold you, why you had done this copy, why you had not done this work, so they are feeling sad. But when do not study well and disobey our parents, we bring shame and pain to them. They think that this child make us feel pain. They got pain. This, how this person can do this? They think my child has done this to me. What I have to do? They will feel pain. So let us be good children and pay back to our parents. So you have to become good children, and you have to keep one thing in mind, that what our parents has invested in us, we have to give back them as a gift. They will not take that, give me my money what I have invested in you, but you have to give as a gift. So this is the story, and this is the moral studies of our parents. So This is the story of a boy and a mother that is telling, so you can understand better that what our parents had done from us. So be a good student and always obey your parents. Thank you. And today I will send a note of 5th chapter and 6th chapter also. Okay. Thank you.